So the industry's learning a lot as it goes along, and certainly one of the things that the operators are realizing and now talking to the ecosystem about is the need for cloud native technology and applications. What is cloud native and what is network functions cloudification, if you like?
Yeah. Well, cloud native is a really nice term, and a lot of people are using it, but a lot of people have their own definition of what is cloud native.
Right.
The first step is just translate it to pure software and run it on a server. Well, that's virtualized, but it's not cloud native. Cloud native means to take advantage of the fact that you're running on a server. It means, so a lot of the characteristics are that at least you separate the control plane from the user plane, and it's programmable. Each of them are. So now you can scale the data plane or scale the control plane as you wish, multiple VMs or multiple containers. But you can scale them independently as is needed by the traffic. So that's one. A second one is the concept of continuous delivery. That is, you're able to deliver new services on the fly, update services.
Right.
And so that entails DevOps. We won't get into that one very far here. But a couple of key characteristics are stateless. That is, you want to be able to separate the state of a flow from the flow so that you can scale the flow without keeping the state with it, with every instance of the traffic.
Right.
And another one is the idea of the decomposition into microservices. So a basic decomposition of that firewall as a monolithic piece of software, it's virtualized, but you at least separate the control plane from the data plane. That's the first step. But to really get to micro-segmentation or microservices, you take the content of that firewall, not the control plane part, but the content part, and divide it up into its functional pieces. The firewall has lots of building blocks. That's a very good way of saying. So you're kind of going from legacy software into Lego-C software.